Hello, 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 and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. All right, so it's time. Now I'm going to do one thing differently this time. Look, here's the pretty circuit board. It's lovely. I'm going to do one thing differently. First of all, I'm going to put this in position. I think I have it the right way up. Yeah, there's the one for the space bar. I'll get everything lined up just so. And I will start on the screws. I shall. And indeed, I will do it much like I did it before. Line them up, put them in, get them started. Da, 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 da. There are 18 tiny little screws. I thought there were 17. There's 18. Anyway, what I'm not going to do right now is do the resoldering yet. I'm going to take this down. Now, does that mean that drop the screw, that the shift lock key will not immediately work? Indeed, but that's okay. I want the rest of the keys to work. And it's funny because I don't know how, but I did look at the one shift key, and it was pretty atrociously like it had like a white film on it, which I don't know how I didn't see that. I know I cleaned every single one. I know it. Because oh, come on. I kept putting a Q-tip in place to show where I had done what I had done. I did. Alright, so I'm kind of doing this the same as what you would do with a car. And you don't tighten. Well, you go back around. Hello. Hello. Go back around. Da, 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 da. Okay. Find the holes. Oh, no. Why do I just, sometimes you just, you're lining something up and you just know it's gonna fall. It's not gonna go well. It's gonna screw. I really hate losing screws. I really do. I would, of course. There we go. I would, given the opportunity, turn this around so you could see it better on the big screen. But I would become some infuriated if I did that and ended up somehow doofing and dropping a whole bunch of the screws. So here's some of the ones that are right down here that aren't in yet, but they will be. They will be. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh, this one is being testy. Oh, not even in the hole. It's not. By the way, if you're not comfortable doing things like this, then don't. But if you see this and you say, hey, I could get a little screwdriver, I could get some swabs. I mean, the thing that I guess is the most, oh, not the most, but some of the trouble, or potential trouble, is the soldering. You got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing. You got to make sure the cats, the dogs, the kids aren't around. You got to make sure you don't accidentally grab the iron and leave it plugged in, have it fall on the floor, burn the table, burn some of the keyboard, burn some of this, burn some of that. Oh, wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good. All right. All right. So the screws are in. I'm going to just go around and double check every single one. Once again, you want to do them snug, but not like, this is metal going into plastic. So if you reef on them, you'll break the plastic. You absolutely will. Oh, did that one want to go a little bit? Nope. Nope. Okay. So I would like to say, oh, that one doesn't look quite in properly. I'm not so sure. Oh, hang on. There, this one here. This didn't look quite straight. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have not done the soldering thing on these wires. Not yet. I have not. But what I'm going to do now is go downstairs and plug this in and hope to God that every key works. So, we'll see you downstairs. Ooh, you know what I could maybe do? I'm going to press pause. See you again soon. Hello, I'm just about to go downstairs. I realize there's no point in pausing this because I'm going to have this, do this from the other direction, the other angle, turn it around. And I can't do that. So, we'll see you in the next video. We'll see if the keyboard works. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye.